We're doing good. This is the rat bags from Dubbo's boat. It's looking pretty good. Number 3. When we can get Marty here, they progress pretty well. Well done, team. You've done really well. It's looking good. If you haven't done it for a while, you can just hop on and watch the video.
Yeah.
And oh shit, that's right. That's what we did.
Where's my pencil?
All right.
Oh, there it is.
So you're taking charge. I'm in a hole.
Okay.
So what we've done, we've worked out that, where are we here? We've worked out that thickness of that allows for the top of this to come pretty well into the top of that. Okay?
Ah, so that's pretty much like that,
Yeah,
isn't it?
yeah.
But at
So
an
what
angle.
we're doing,
Yeah.
we're allowing for, because we're using the angle of the boat to mark it out, we're using that. This is sitting up 40 mil above our boat. I've worked out roughly that the thickness of this timber, we draw that line there, that will line up with this at the top edge of the gunnel.
Yeah.
So draw your line.
Yeah. So how thick is that bit of timber, Dave?
Oh, about 10 mil.
Does that have to be?
Give or take a bit.
set
No,
on
it'll
that?
be right. It'll be right.
That's all right.
Right. Just hold this in straight here.
All right.
Oh! Disaster. Right out.
All right. So there.
Go for it.
That's straight.
Yep. Draw him up. Now we do the other side.
And that's here. And I'm holding that straight.
Yep.
And this is your compound angles,
Yeah,
isn't
the
it?
compound angle. Now what we do, just mark the edge of the top, or you can put your piece of timber across and mark the edge there.
Yeah.
Now you can use a bit of timber to draw a line there.
There we go.
Look at that.
Yeah. And it's compound angle because
Yeah,
both
yeah.
angles are different on
Yeah.
either side, isn't it?
So come and do the same on this side.
Yep. Okay.
No, turn him around so you got the bloody side out.
Ah.
Front again. And get the positions. Wow, this is getting techo.
Check it out.
There we go.
Yes.
And then from there we'll go and cut it out. So the idea is, if you can get that line fairly well vertical in the vise, and you cut at this angle, it'll naturally go down. You'll naturally cut vertical.
Okay.
Okay? So go and lock those two off and we can have a look.
Wait, so if I look and put it in like that?
No, we'll go out and do it.
Yeah.
We know that line's pretty well spot on.
Yeah.
Okay? So you use him, and you can see either side of here. So you use that line, we know the angle's good there, and we present it, and we get it cutting. Right, so I'll take that off. Come this way a little bit. Right, and I'm progressively lifting this into it.
Yeah.
Have a look line. Oh, we're taking a bit much off here. So we're going to come back a bit. So we're just taking that off.
Yeah.
Right, it's a real delicate process. You don't have to rush it. There you go. So, yeah, best if the eyes come in like that. Right? And you know you've got a bit to take off the top, but you know it comes back to there. So you work on that and bring it up over this way. Now, progressively present it. You don't want to take too much off this side at the bottom. So bring him up. We'll work on this first. We'll work on this area first. This is where you want to take most of it off. There you go, you've got it. Now, remember you've got a lot more to take off this side than that side. you'll cut it off. That's it. That's the way. Keep it going, keep it going. Alright, you've got more to take off this side. Watch this side. Now, start to swing it back towards the centre. That's it, now lock it there. That's pretty straight there, you know. Right, now you've got it straight there. Now start to bring it down so you're cutting on the middle. No, yeah, about there. So see your line here?
Yeah.
Have you got any line like that? Oh yeah, it's still got heaps of line there. So work on that line on that side. Try and push it straight in as you can. Oh, you're down on that side. You've got a bit more to take off this side.
What there?
Yeah, see it's not quite the line yet. Not much. But don't round it. You'll round it. So what we want to do, we know we've got that line right now. We know we've got that line just about right, but that ties into taking more off here. So what we want to do, get our angle about right, while we're presenting. We've got a bit of a gap there, and just feed it in straight. There you go.
Perfect. Thanks, Dave.
Let's go and see if it works. We were silly.
Why?
We didn't only eye 10 mil. That's good. So we've got a bit of gap. That's good.
Does
It's
it
going
go that way?
to only ice out 10 mil.
That's not that way.
That ain't going to work.
So
we actually want it sitting up a bit, don't we? We want it sitting up a bit. Magnificent.
So that's going to be good because epoxy will go in.
Yeah.
And epoxy loves gap. And then put the curve.
Yeah. So what you can do now, where's our curve line? Here. So this is a lot of material to take off with the sander.
Yeah.
It's best if you cut, just do a straight line and cut the bulk of that off first. Just a rough cut.
Yeah.
And same that side, then you can round it from there.
Ah.
Okay?
I like rounding.
So go and cut that off.
Thank you.